Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Ariana Grande inspired makeup look based on the music video Stuck With You. So to start out, I'm going to be spraying my face with the Badescue Rose Water Spray just to moisturize. And I'm using my Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow gel to get the straight brow effect that Ariana has, because this is a makeup tutorial and I'm following what she looks like in the video. And Ariana usually has this very like straight character brow, so that's what I'm trying to mimic here. And then I'm just gonna go on and outline the brow and clean it up a little bit with the E.L.F. Camo Studio Concealer. So I'm just gonna take a flat brush and outline the outside of my brows, just get them nice and perfect. Now I'm going to be adding concealer in the spots that aren't so perfect and just cleaning up a little bit, adding some under my eyes and on my problem areas just to give me a more flawless look. Now I'm just going to blend out that concealer with the beauty sponge to get it nice and flawless. To prep my eyes for eyeshadow, I'm going to add some more of that concealer onto the lid, and this helps so that the eyeshadow can stick and last all day long. So just add some to the eyelids and blending it out with the beauty sponge. Now I'm taking this old Wet n Wild palette and taking that neutral brown color and just adding that shade all over the lid to act as a base for our eyeshadow look today. And I'm just going to blend it all over. Now I'm taking this orange shade in the palette and I'm going to add that to my crease, because in the photo I'm trying to recreate, Ariana has sort of an orange shade in her crease. So I just wanted to replicate that, and that was the perfect shade to use for this look. Alright girlies, it's time for winged eyeliner. As we all know, Ariana loves her winged liner. So I'm just going to do a big bold wing on my eyes, just like she does. And I'm focusing more on the ends and dragging it towards the middle. That is the way I like to get my wings done, because it is the perfect way to get that shape in that feline cat look that you want. I noticed that Ariana uses eyeliner in her waterline, which smokes out the look a bit and gives it more of a feline, foxy look. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just adding that eyeliner to my waterline carefully and making sure that it's even and blended out. Now I'm just taking some loose powder and adding that under my eyes to set the concealer that I put earlier, and just to set my face and give it a more flawless look. I'm going to also put it on my cheekbones and use the residue as contour. And I'm going to be putting it on my nose and on my forehead. After a few moments, I went ahead and dusted off the powder. For blush, I'm going to be using the Morphe 350 palette and using that red shade as the blush shade because Ariana's cheeks are very warm in this picture and I want to replicate that. Next is mascara, and I'm just using the Milk Makeup Mascara and using it on the bottom of my lashes and the top lashes just to prep for falsies. I took that red shade from earlier and just dabbed it on my lips to give it more of a pinky rosy look. And I'm going to add gloss to the lips just like she has. Now I'm taking a shimmer shade in the Morphe palette and using it as a highlight. And I'm going to highlight my nose and my cheekbones and my chin and my forehead just to give a more glowy look. Now you're just gonna set that makeup look in place, and after that the makeup look is complete. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.